Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Mix 1/2 teaspoons salt into 8 ounces of warm water and gargle for 15-30 seconds, spitting out. This reduces throat swelling and disrupts mucus. It also lowers pain. Next, drink warm herbal tea or broth to soothe mucous membranes and keep you hydrated. Once done, run a humidifier or inhale steam for 10 minutes to loosen congestion. Make sure to avoid alcohol and caffeine because they dehydrate and can impair recovery. Rest your voice when possible. You now focus on symptom control. If you have pain or fever, take acetaminophen or ibuprofen following the package dosing. This lowers inflammation and makes swallowing easier. Use throat lozenges or 1 teaspoon of honey in warm tea to coat the throat. Do not give honey to infants. Once done, consider a saline nasal rinse to clear postnasal drip, which often drives cough. Make sure to track fever and symptom trends. Worsening after 48 hours or a high fever prompts medical review. You wrap up by assessing danger signs. If you notice stridor, trouble breathing, inability to swallow saliva, or severe worsening, go to the emergency room immediately. If symptoms persist beyond 7 to 10 days or improve then return, schedule a clinician visit for throat exam, rapid tests, or targeted antibiotics if bacterial infection is suspected. Once done, stop smoking and avoid irritants. This speeds healing. One troubleshooting tip. If cough worsens after starting OTC meds,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.